Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Warhammer 40,000 Speed Freaks game for free via the Epic Games launcher on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open the Epic Games launcher, then go to store, and in search store search for Warhammer 40k Speed Freaks. Just type as it is typed over here, and then you will see Warhammer 40k Speed Freaks. Click on this game, and here you will see Warhammer 40,000 Speed Freaks and get button. You will see the get button and it is showing free, and the sales will end on 18th June 2026. So if you download this game before 18th June, then you will get this game for free and you can keep this game in your account forever. So click on get button, then click on add to library. Just wait, and then you will see view in library. So click on view in library, and here you can see Warhammer 40k Speed Freaks game has added to your library. So click on install button, and then click on install button again. Click yes to allow, and then you can see that Warhammer 40k Speed Freaks game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this download arrow icon, and here you can see Warhammer 40k Speed Freaks game is getting installed. So this is how you can also download or install Warhammer 40k Speed Freaks on your PC via the Epic Games launcher for free, and this game is free if you download this game before 18th of June 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.